Hello everyone, my name is Frankie, aka Hair Zaddy, and today I'm going to be showing y'all this new unit I got from LaVivid Hair. I got it on their website, and so let me go pull it out real quick. So it comes in a really fun little box. Let me close it for y'all real quick. It comes in a really cute box. It says LaVivid. It's probably going to be backwards because you know how phones and stuff are. So out of the box, you receive the unit. It comes in a little plastic thing to keep its shape. It also had netting on it, but I took that off because I was not thinking correctly. But it also comes with a really handy little, I guess it's like a pamphlet. It's got like some fun instructions and everything on it. Like it's got some care tips. It's got your 30-day exchange, the 30-day return and exchange. Some of these care tips are really nice too. The first one literally says, dyeing the hair is not recommended. Hair may dry out or base becomes stained and damaged. So they got some really good tips in here for everyone to read up on. So let's go ahead and examine the hair. So this is going to be their RS unit. It's going to be ARES. I hope I pronounced it right. So it's going to be a French lace base, which means that it's going to look super natural when it's on the head. It's going to become transparent. But then you have a thin skin backing, and that's for you to put your glue and your tape on there, so that way you get extra security in the back so you don't have any issues with like lifting. And then the color is going to be in a 1B, so it's going to be an off black. This unit was also a 1B color. It's faded over time because I've been wearing it since early spring, but you can pretty much see they're basically the same tone. This one's going to be a little bit darker and more rich tone than this one because I've been wearing this one every day. So I actually did not get this unit pre-cut because I'm going to be cutting it for y'all today on camera. I'm super excited to show y'all. So you're not going to be able to cut your own units. They do provide a pre-cut service, and I've never had any issues ordering pre-cut units. They usually come in super great and super amazing. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and go get this unit wet so that way I'm able to cut it, and I'm going to put it on the wig block, and we're just going to get started from there. Okay guys, so I have the unit all nice and wet, and then I'll probably like keep spraying it too as I go along, but it's wet for now. I part in the middle. I always usually like cut all my units in the middle just so that way whichever way I want to wear it, it's going to be even. So basically what I do first is I'm going to set the perimeter, so I'm going to see how long I want it. So I'm probably going to bring it up. I'll probably bring like the shortest layer around this area, and then have it all kind of like taper back. And then add in some fun layers in there just to give it like some more movement. So I usually like to start in the front. That's where I like to establish the length. So get everything all nice and brushed. We're gonna do a little spritz. I'm probably gonna do more of like a time lapse while I do this, so y'all aren't bored and I don't have to talk for like 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and just start with the time-lapse part, and then we can talk after that. Okay, so now we have the length pretty much decided. So I'll probably go in and do like some more cleanup and everything, make sure everything's all nice and even. But now we're gonna get into like the actual like layering part, and that's what's gonna make the wig actually come to life. I'm gonna go in and layer it real quick, and then we'll just keep talking some more. Okay, so once all the layers are in, then I like to go in and like check on my work, make sure everything's nice and detailed. I can tell, I believe this side is a little bit longer than this side, which that's fine. So I'm gonna go in and just do like some more like detail work, make sure everything's all even, and then I'll get into like the blow drying part, and then I'll like style it and stuff. Alrighty guys, so I am pretty much done with the haircuts, and you can kind of like see in the back where I left it like a little bit longer. You always want to have like a little bit of length back here so that way it would blend in the back of your hair. Now I have pink hair, so of course you're going to see like my line of demarcation. I'm cool with that because it's just me. But if you have a normal natural colored hair, this piece right here would lay with your hair and it would give it a more natural, like as if it's like growing out of your hair kind of like look. So I always like to keep the back a little bit longer. I would say like the shortest point in the back, it's about 3.5 to like 4 inches back here, just because you don't want to cut too close to the base, because if you cut too close to the base, it's going to either spit back out at you or it's just not going to lay properly. I learned that the hard way. I'm not going to tell you which unit it was though. I'm going to go ahead and get into the actual like styling part. We're going to get into that. Alrighty guys, so here is the final result of my haircut that I did for my unit. Cannot wait to wear it. It's pretty similar to mine. I would say the only difference is that it's a little bit longer in the front and on the sides. Other than that, it's pretty much just like this unit. So you'll be able to part it in the middle, in the front, pretty much anywhere. And especially with the lace, like it will look like it is growing out of your scalp, whichever way you want to part it, because you have all that real estate from the thin skin perimeter to the actual lace. So you'll be able to wear it whichever way you want. I just put it in a side part just because I haven't done a side part in a while. So, but yeah, so I'm super excited to install this unit into my head. I'm not gonna do it today or right now because this one's still like pretty secure and it would really hurt to take it off. So I'm gonna do that later in the week. But I love this haircut. I cannot wait to try it on. Be sure to check out LaVivid Hair on all platforms, Instagram, YouTube. I think they just have Instagram and YouTube. I'm not too sure. I'll have to go check. I'll put it on the screen right here. But like I said earlier, they are really great. They're really fast with their emails and everything too if you have any questions. So be sure to check out LaVividHair.com to order your next hair system. And yeah.